Hello guys, it's me here. Remember my sisters in movie up graduation for sure. This is my own formal school AM short thing over there. So now check it out.
Indeed, this is a very special day for all of us, especially our completers. Today, we celebrate as they reap the fruits of their years of study and labor in our beloved alma mater. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let us welcome the completers of Batch 2024.
I am proud to present to you the candidates for moving up from grade 10 Socrates under the tutelage of their advisor, Ms. Kristen Pepito. Jake Soria, best in 3D design, 3D participant in technical.
Amaya Catharina Garcia with high honors.
With high honors. Jana Mariam Nay A, World AIDS Day Quiz Bee first runner-up. And congratulations to all completers.
As each book has its ending, so this program needs closing. I call Jana Mariam Nay Trinidad, grade 10 top 1 student, for her closing remarks. Completers, you can now have your seats.
We would like to thank the Carpio family for their generosity. Mrs. Karina Doroteo, our beloved school administrator. Mrs. Erlene Alfonso, our ever-supportive school principal. Mr. Paul Doroteo, our reliable administrative assistant. Our department coordinators, and to all our teachers and support staff who made this event possible.
As our ceremony ends, we would like to salute and congratulate all our parents, teachers, administrators, and staff for a job well done. Thank you for gracing this very special event.
And to all completers for finishing this year with flying colors. An excellent job for the first lap of your journey. This has been your host, Miss Grilly Villamer
and Jules Sunier saying,
congratulations, completer batch 2024.
watching, guys. I'm sorry to turn this. I need to break excuses for today. We'll stop by uploading pictures for this week. Due to busy like last time. So anyways, starting from now on, we'll stop using those gaming internet vlogs, including more etc. I got other issues about doing more fun time after my sister's movie up ceremony, like her graduation ceremony from school 8 a.m. It is under moment so formally. I was password before to today, and now. So for now, hopefully I respect the other personality, persons, men and women, trust and thinking can do. Okay. So anyways, stay tuned now, guys. This is Ricardo Rose Diva Film. Here sign off. Again, once again, this is Ricardo Rose Diva Film. Okay, bye. See you soon.